From the moment humanity first looked up at the night sky, something ancient and mysterious has always called to us, the vastness of the universe. The stars are not merely distant points of light, they are living stories, burning and breathing in the eternal darkness. When we look into space, we're not just seeing our future, we are seeing reflections of our own existence. The pulse of starlight, the drifting breath of nebulae, the silent rhythm of orbiting worlds. These are the heartbeat of a cosmic body far greater than ourselves. Let this journey guide you through regions of space untouched by language, through phenomena our minds only begin to imagine, and through moments where the universe reveals beauty beyond meaning. This is not just a voyage. This is a return to the oldest origin we share, light. As the camera glides through a cloud of stardust, we enter a glowing ocean of light. Tiny particles, drifting silently, seem insignificant, yet these dust grains are the seeds of future stars. They float like sleeping spirits, each holding the potential to ignite and transform the cosmos. In this moment, we feel the breath of the universe, slow, deep, infinite. Suddenly, the darkness bends. Space curves inward as if pulled by an invisible hand. Before us lies a black hole, terrifying and beautiful. It does not shine, yet everything around it burns brighter as matter spirals inward. Streams of glowing gas stretch like ribbons, twisting into the abyss. A low rumble echoes through space, reminding us how fragile and small we truly are. Leaving the gravity well behind, we arrive at a frozen world orbiting a dim red dwarf. Frost drifts through the thin atmosphere. Everything is silent, but beneath the thick ice may lie an ocean, deep, ancient, and possibly alive. Life, even in its smallest form, may be hiding here, waiting to be discovered. Then the universe erupts. A supernova bursts open, releasing all the star's energy in a brilliant shockwave. This is not death, it is rebirth. The iron in our blood, the calcium in our bones, the gold we treasure, all forged in explosions like this. In that radiant flash, we witness the origin of ourselves. We drift onward to the red deserts of Mars. Dry winds blow across cracked soil. A small robotic rover moves steadily across the alien land. It feels no emotion, yet its presence symbolizes the human drive to explore, to push further, to learn more.
Houston, this is
Leaving
the Eagle.
Mars,
We have a visual.
enter the asteroid belt.
Roger that,
Huge
Eagle.
rocks soar
Proceed with
past,
docking.
so close we can see every fracture. Light glints off their surfaces, creating a dance of shadows and brightness. It is dangerous, unpredictable, and breathtaking. Farther still, we slip into the arms of the Milky Way. Stars flow past like rivers of light, shifting gently as the camera moves. Here, the galaxy feels ancient, older than memory, older than time. Then we approach an ocean planet. Waves glow blue with bioluminescence. Two moons hang in a violet sky, their reflections shimmering across the calm surface. This world knows no war, no sorrow, only everlasting peace. We leave the tranquil sea behind and approach a spacecraft rising from Earth's orbit. Blue thrusters flare, carving a shining trail. Earth shrinks in the distance. Blue, soft, fragile. Our path then brings us to a molten world, where rivers of lava flow like burning veins. Sparks rise into the air, glowing against the darkness. This violent world is young, but worlds like this may someday cool, grow oceans, and birth life. Ahead spins a neutron star, rotating faster than thought possible. Its bright beam sweeps across space, like the hand of a cosmic clock. Each rotation marks not seconds, but epochs. Then, space twists, light bends. We enter a wormhole, a doorway not to the future or past, but to possibilities beyond imagination. On the other side lies a crystal forest. Tall pillars of glowing mineral sway gently in an alien breeze. They chime softly, a music older than language, delicate and haunting. We drift toward a frozen planet where massive auroras ripple across the sky. Green and purple waves dance like living spirits. In this silence, beauty speaks for itself. Finally, we approach a lonely space station turning slowly in the dark. Below it, far away, Earth glows softly. Small blinking lights greet us, like distant hands waving in the night. And in this quiet moment, we understand, no matter how vast the universe is, that small blue world is still the only place we can call home. When we look deep into the dark abyss before us, one truth forces every intellect to bow. The universe has never been still. From the very first moment of the Big Bang, the strands of time began to stretch. Space expanded, and galaxies drifted away from one another like islands of light floating across an invisible ocean. With every passing second, the universe grows larger, colder, and more mysterious. Perhaps somewhere in the distant future, when every star has faded, only darkness will remain, along with faint flickers of energy scattered across the sea of space-time. But right now, while we still exist, while we can still witness light that left its home billions of years ago entering our eyes, life itself is whispering a truth, that we are an inseparable part of this eternal expansion. Beneath the tens of thousands of kilometers of ice covering Enceladus and Europa, dark but warm oceans are quietly breathing. Plumes of water erupt into space, carrying organic molecules, evidence that life may be flourishing where sunlight has never touched. Imagine yourself drifting through a mist of cosmic ice particles, listening to the deep rumble of tides pulled by Jupiter's brutal gravity. In that darkness, the first living organisms may be seeking their path of evolution, much like how life on Earth once began in its primal oceans. The universe is vast, but perhaps life is not ours alone. No one has ever seen dark energy, yet it is stretching the entire universe apart. It seeps through every corner of space, stronger than the gravity of trillions of galaxies. We don't know what it is, but we are living in an era where it makes up 68% of the universe's total energy. When you look into the night sky, you are not just seeing stars. You are witnessing the manifestation of something that has yet to be named. Perhaps in the future, when humanity departs the solar system, we will learn to manipulate that very invisible energy to unlock doors beyond the limits of light. Imagine a day 4 billion years from now, when Earth's sky erupts in a halo of endless light. It will not be a sunrise, but the arrival of the Andromeda Galaxy as it moves to devour the Milky Way. Yet strangely, despite rushing toward each other at hundreds of kilometers per second, most stars will never collide. As the waves of starlight twist together like ancient dancers, the two galaxies will merge into a new one, Milkomeda. In that sight, we will finally understand. Death and rebirth always walk together, even on the scale of the cosmos. There is a place where tens of thousands of storms never cease to rise. Jupiter. It is a tireless weather engine. A massive red storm the size of 3 Earths has raged for at least 300 years, still spinning like an ancient scar of the solar system. In the upper clouds, lightning tears through the darkness, igniting the sky with surreal flashes of blue and violet. If we were to set foot there, humans would be crushed and swept away by unimaginable pressure. Yet even from afar, we can marvel at its violent beauty, like an ancient symphony of wind, gas, and fury.